let's wait for them to be joining. Active, active. Okay, so let's wait for those who left to come back. There was a small cut. Make us wait. 1 second. Hold on. Active, active. This is the last hour. We are active. We are active. I'm sure you've used this active session to activate your N8N or we are back. We are back. We are back. We are back. Where are your brothers? Let's hit 10. When we hit 10 views, then we continue. When we hit 10, when 10 people come back. A lot of people were here, but it seems because of the cats. Active, active. So go to n8n.io as we are waiting for the rest of the family. Go to n8n.io. I'm coming to demonstrate this whole thing that I've been talking about. I'm coming to demonstrate it for you to understand. Okay, the brain, the tools, the knowledge base, the blah blah blah. I'm going to put it all together for you to get a better understand. See it work in real time. Okay, 10. Charlie, more active. Oh. Active, active, active. Please like the live for me. Active, active. Share the live, share the live. Share the live to someone. Share the live to your status. This is the final hour. We are going into agentic AI. This is the final hour. There was a small glitch, but it's back now. Final hour. Final hour. Agentic AI. Final hour. So I've already explained agentic AI. Those of you that missed, please, you missed a lot. This is the final hour. So make sure you are at n8n.io. n8n.io. Are you there? All right, active. So we are going to build your first like simple assistance. Let's see how it all goes. All right. So AI agents and workflows, blah blah. So let's go ahead and uh break this whole thing together. So just go to get started. Try to use a temporary email to, how do we call it? Just so after your 14 days, you can actually now explore it right. So have you all create go you can create like a temporary email. Go to this website. Create a temporary email from this site. Are you good? Create a temporary email. Have you already created it? Can create a temporary email just for us to experience it, and later you join with your actual email because you will have it. Okay. So I'm also creating mine 427318. I don't know why they always have this problem. This troubleshoot problem. One, five, eight. Hmm. Then I'm just going to stop using N810 because this is their troubleshooting. I don't know. So I'm going to use another platform called Relevance AI. So let me just go there. If you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. If you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. This is the final hour, bro. I just wanted to use anything because you actually see the, I don't know what brings about that trouble issue. I don't know. What could possibly be the problem? Okay, let's try this. So I'll use the anything. I'll try to let it come. Because with that one I can show you uh I can visually show you what's happening. Oh, Charlie, what's wrong, bro? What's wrong with it? Somebody should try and log in on anything on their side. Let's see. Who is also facing this troubleshoot thing? We should just dash it and go to open clock or so. Who is also facing this who is also facing this troubleshoot thing over there? Then okay, it says for incorrect device time. Incorrect device time saying how is it? Um, okay, let me fix that quickly. Thank you very much. Let me fix that. Let me fix that quickly. So I think I have to change my time and day. So let me do that. If you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube or TikTok there, Shinia. Yeah. I think I have to check that. I don't know why my laptop time. Because right now I check it's like it is 5:42 a.m. Still in 29th share. You are leaving backwards laptop. Very steady. Mm, I was on the cry, I didn't cry. Let me say. Mm, okay, so I think I'm afraid that active. Junior say active. Abba, like go vex me. Let me just say 24 hours. Charlie also had the password if you want to know. So you can just start the 14-day free trial or something. So now we are inside anything active. Who is not there? Who is not in anything? If you are not in anything, let me know. If you are watching me from YouTube, come to TikTok. Hey. If you are watching me from TikTok, come to YouTube. If you are watching me from TikTok, come to YouTube. We've been streaming since yesterday, 9 a.m. to today, teaching AI. If you missed this, then you've missed a lot because people have already started their own businesses out of this stream. But it's about to get better. We are entering into the final hours. We are entering into the final hours. In fact, we're already there, Seth. So, are you in N8N? Are you there? Sure about that? Mm. We've been streaming since yesterday, 9 a.m. We see a name. Juma Pani. But we active, bro. 24. 24 hours. 24 hours. You've logged into NA10 active. Let's go. We ain't got no time. We are now coming to set up Open Claw. NA10 is just to explain to you what I meant by whatever I was describing. Okay. But then you can also use anything to build. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start from scratch because my basic. So I'm not gonna use no template. So when you come here, at first we didn't have all of. Let me share my screen. So when you come in here, you can see add your first step or yeah, consistency is key. Thank you very much. So you can see add your first step or you can build with AI. At first, if you started using, I'm not getting verification code. Wow. So come here and see. Come to this side and see. Come down here to this side. And let's see if you see it. Did you find it? Those of you watching me from TikTok, final hour, we are all active. So we are all active. Come to YouTube and let's finish this. Did they come? Have you seen it now? Hmm? We would. Have you seen it? No. Hey. Mm. No, no, my screen there, you can't see it from here. You have to come to YouTube. So we are streaming on YouTube. You see? Yeah. So come to YouTube. My YouTube is AI with Enoch. Come to YouTube and then come and watch something. That's where if I share my screen, you'll be able to see. So you see, that's me on the TV right there. You see? Yeah. So that's YouTube. So come there. When you search AI with Enoch, you will see that I'm streaming over there. Okay. There are some past streams, but then there's a but before you go, make sure you repost this stream, like this stream, repost this particular one on TikTok. No, I can't drop the link in the comments right now. Yeah. Even if I drop, you can't tap on it. But if you just search AI with Enoch, you just see me. It's very simple. Like AI with Enoch. That's yeah. Like my name here on TikTok. Bella Bello, thanks. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Switch to Empire. Is this has it come still? Or tap on the refresh and let's see. Did they come? Did they come? All right, no problem. So let me know when it comes. So when you come into anything over here, now I just want to demonstrate whatever I was talking about so that you see for yourself. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, bro. Shut up, bite. Shatter vibes. Charlie. Active. Senior one back. Oh, shit. Okay. So, you see, when you come to like when you come inside anything, you see add first step or you add, how do you call it? You build with AI. So build with AI simply means that you describe whatever you want the AI to build for you, and then it builds it for you. Okay. But I'm going to start from scratch just to explain to you what is happening under the hood. Okay. So now when you come to anything, probably make another video about anything, explaining some of the features and functions here. But right now, I'm way behind time. We have to open crawl things. Okay. So every AI, as I said, these are the five components that I gave you. You need them, right? You need them to make the AI function. But at the end of the day, you also need something called a trigger. Okay. So I was using, let me share my screen. Ah. So I was using this bottle as an example when I was explaining AI agent. I was using this bottle. Okay. Now, this is the bottle. And before the bottle actually move or do something for you, I mentioned the five components that you need. Okay. But at the end of the day, something needs to trigger this bottle. That is not like a main thing, or how should I even put it? That's not like part of the component, but that's also needed. You have to trigger. I mean, everything that is in this world needs trigger. You understand? You have to, even your anger. Somebody have to trigger it. You understand? But that, I just wanted to clarify that. Now, here's the thing. When you are inside N8N, right? This is N8N. Let me just go there. When you come into N8N, you can now add a trigger. And this is platform specific. You may not see some of these like plenty features here in maybe relevance AI. You may not see it in active pieces. You may not see it in what mention these platforms that are available, Lindy and the rest. But at the end of the day, the foundation that I've given you, brain, memory, tools, knowledge base, instructions, they run through all these systems, even though they have different user interfaces, but it is still the same analogy behind wherever you go. You understand? So now, in anytime we have trigger manually on app event, on schedule, on webhook call, or on form submission when when executed by another workflow, or on chat message. You understand? These are like the things that can trigger. Okay, so we are going to use on chat message. On chat message simply means that we will have a chat interface that we can use to chat with our AI agents. Okay, so that's how what we are going to do. So we have our chat here. Okay, now our trigger is set, right? The next thing is to add, how do you call it, the AI agent. So let me add the AI agent here so that you see. Let me just close everything. So now with the chat interface detached, this is what I was talking about. The AI agent. This is it. Now this AI agent is there, but how can it actually do things for us? How can it actually do things for us unless we connect the components that I was talking about? Okay, so let me just go ahead and connect this one. Let me just go ahead and connect this. Mm, Chat model. So the chat model, that's what I was saying, that serves as the brain. That's the large language model. So yeah, we use ChatGPT as the model. I just claim this GPT-5 mini. You can see the models over here. Can switch between models. Is basically switching between intelligence. So now we have the model. Now, here is why I am saying that every single part of this thing that you are seeing is important. Okay. So right now, I was talking about five components: brain, tools, instructions, memory, uh, knowledge base, right? Right now we've added the brain. So let's talk to the AI. If the Would the AI respond? Is AI with not lying or you understand? So let me just go in there. Okay, I'm already even sharing it. So, let me go. So right now we've added the, how do we call it? We've added the chat model. We've added the brain, the one that does the understanding, the processing, and the this one. So now I'm going to open the chat, and then I'm just going to say hi. Will we get a response? A response? Yes, of course, we will get a response. Hallelujah to the highest. So you see the reason why I wanted to use Enit, and yes, we are going somewhere. We are going somewhere. The reason why I wanted to use Enit and is that you see the whole process. Okay, so you see when chat is received, goes the agent, the model processes, and then the output comes out. That's why I wanted to use Enit because I can visually show you what is happening under the hood. You see the number of tokens spent. You understand? Don't worry. Next year, 48 hours of AI, you understand what tokens are, or you can follow me. I'll keep posting about these things. Okay. So now here's the thing. We've set up the AI, we've added our trigger, and then we've even added our, how do we call it? We've also added our chat model, which is the GPT-5 mini. Okay. Now I want to tell my AI agent that not even anything complex. I want to tell it my name because in my agent, it has to know my name, right? Let's try it. Let's see what's going to happen. So I'm just going to go here, go back into my N8N. If you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. We are streaming for 24 hours, bro. We started yesterday 9 a.m. and it is 6:17 today, bro. We've been streaming, bro. Streaming. Right now, I'm streaming. I don't see comments. I'm begging you. Okay. I'll reply all the comments after my stream. Okay. Please forgive me. Finance with Bernard. I know I'm sending me Momo. So you can see over here, how do we call it? It has replied. Now let me tell it my name. My name is, why do I like turning on caps? My name is, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. My name is Enoch. This is my AI assistant and I'm telling it my name. So let's see what's going to happen. Will it know my name? Nice to meet you, Enoch. Also then, nice to meet you. Oh, nice to meet you, Enoch. How can I help you today? So one thing that I want you to take note of is that I just told it my name. If you're watching me on YouTube, you can see my screen, you can see my face. If you want to see me, come to YouTube because that's where I'm talking. I just told it my name. That's the thing right now. I just told it my name. Okay. So I've added a model. Now I come to ask it, what is my name? So now let's see what it's going to say. So you see the whole process. Oh, is it negative or positive? Leroy, is it negative or positive? This question goes to Leroy International School. Leroy SHS. Is the answer negative or positive? I just told him my name right now. And now I'm asking it what is my name. But it is not telling me what is missing. Memory. Memory. Like you need to set up the memory for the agent. You understand? The model just reads, understands, reply. There's something called context window. We can go into that one. But memory, you have to set up your memory. Leroy, correct for 3 points. You have been promoted to the next round. You have been promoted to the next round of the, how do you call it? National AI quiz. Yeah. So, yeah. So uh, now I want to ask it a question again so that at least you see. Let me see. I want to ask it a question again so that I just So I want you to look at this part of it, everything. Where so you see it is literally, it's literally contact the model, go to the agent. Sorry, I don't see what you mean by you could paste or repeat what you just told me. I just told this boy. So now let's add memory. Okay. That's why I like using anything because I can visually explain. So with the memory, it's still with this those the memory that you've been using for your apps and stuff like that as a developer, But trust me, you don't need to be a deep developer person to understand this. Okay. So we have MongoDB, Postgres, Redis, Xata. But then I'll go with the simple memory for the sake of our tutorial. For the sake of our tutorials. Okay. I hope you are following me. You two are building something, because you have some few hours left. You have some few hours left, bro. So now I'm going to tell it because I just added the memory, right? I have to now now tell it my name again, okay? And I'm just doing this to explain to you what I was talking about at first. That um this is how agentic system work. It doesn't matter how complex you see it. Sometimes you can see somebody's anytime workflow and you ask yourself why. What's what's in Kwan are you trying to solve in the world that you have this huge workflow in your this one? At the end of the day, this is it. This basic this is it. And then they try to it's like Lego, it all starts from the small thing. What I'm showing you, that's all you need to know. The rest is just add-ons and steez composure. You understand? Yeah. Flexing yourself, flexing your muscles. What I say. So that is all. So when we come here now, let's say my name. Charlie. You go back. Go back. So now I'll go ask him again. My name is Enoch. So now look at this place. You see that it checks the memory, bro. It checks the memory. How many times did it check the memory? Leroy. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. I designed it with my AI agents. We've been working in the background. In fact, there are lots of things that I'll tell you. This whole event, the event administrator for this is Claude. Claude AI is the administrator, sending emails, planning the events. In fact, I have the whole event in my Notion. Otrofon or say, Medan Siniwa Broche. Let me show you. This Notion page was created by Claude. I just told Claude to create the Notion page. I'm not sharing my screen. And then it just created. This how I'm using AI. Nobody uses AI more than me. I'm telling you, me. Before I'll come and tell you about some AI, just know that I've treated the AI condemn. Like I've treated condemn up and down. Like stress test the model so you can see this all this to me. I don't have time to be doing check, post check, proposal received. See all these things, Claude. Claude, oh, me, I don't have time to draw table, fill this table, plenty table. If you know me, you know that me, I won't have time to do this thing. I'm a parent no for to draw, get the time to be put in. Nah, you understand? It's Claude AI. I connected Claude to my Notion, and then I just give it my plan, and then it will just be drafting. If we need to send email, we just send for me and all that. Maybe I do it. So basically, uh we've added the memory. Okay. Now I wanted to let me zoom out. We've added the memory in here, which is perfect. Now it knows my name. So let's see what is my name, brother. Let me show you my screen from this side. Hey, if you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. Why? So I'm going to go ahead and send it Then the rainbow liquid. So you see that now the response that it has given us is even the response that it has given us is even like, let me see. Yeah, the response. It's not even a response. Let me show you this thing. Let me show you this. This logs. So you see that the logs in here is different. First it was just chat, AI, and then outside. But now you can see that the sample memory is in between, somewhere. Thank you, L1, for the follow. If you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. That's where we are streaming. We've been streaming since yesterday, 9 a.m. And we are ending 9 a.m. We are streaming. I'm teaching AI for 24 hours. And this is where we are right now. So there's simple memory, open AI simple memory. So you can see over here, right? And it says your name is Enoch. How did they know that my name is Enoch? It saved it in the memory. This is exactly how Chat GPT works. It's not magic. This is exactly how it works. Basically, you understand. So it has saved the context. What is your name? Output, your name is Enoch. I save it BBR, and then it can what? It can now reply as, okay. Now we've added the model L1. Thank you for the likes. I appreciate, bro. We've added the model. We've added the memory. Now I want this AI to send emails on my behalf. I didn't set this email. Maybe that email. I didn't set this AI up for cruise. Okay, I set it up for you to try a job. So what I'm going to do, the first job I'm going to give it to evaluate it and make sure that it is doing what I want it to do is to give it access to my Gmail. Okay. So over here you have the uh, Gmail. So I'll just choose my Gmail. So I'll just go ahead and sign in with Google. If you if you are running N10 yourself, or if you are self-hosting N10, you may not see some of these signing with Google and things over there. Okay, but you can use the Google Cloud Console. So uh, that is it. So right now I've signed it with my email. So who does the email go to? I'll let the AI decide. Subjects, I'll let the AI decide, and all that. Approval options. Uh, okay, approve only. Let the AI decide. Okay. And you see sometimes this part, you see sometimes when you if you've ever tried N810 before, if you've ever tried N810 before, you see that when you send N810, they'll tell you your this AI, this message was sent by N810. That thing watermark over there. If you want to remove it, just go to append N810 attribution and turn it off. Nangin. And then you I kind of say that's it. So now I've connected my Gmail to agents and then close it. Oh, what did I add? Okay. I chose the wrong one. Let me choose this one. Is this one that I'm supposed to choose the Gmail too rather. So I've already connected my Google or so no need to set to description, message, label. So you choose the result message, operation. This is very important. Okay. So the operation is going to show what the AI agent is going to do. Is it going to send message? Is it going to reply message? Is it going to remove mark on what else here? Get many, delete. These are all operations. But I'm going to choose send. Or what do you put in? If somebody will give me their email to try there, I'll choose send. If I don't get anybody, let me choose a UI get. So you see over here, uh, hmm. so over here, if you are building like you let choose AI. That's it. Let the AI decide for you. The model will define it. The model will define it. I choose text and then add options. Append any 10 attribution. Attend that. Okay. All right. So uh, now we good, right? So I chose operation. What did I choose? I chose send. Who can I send this to? Is there anybody that can give me their email? I mean, just if I don't get anybody, then I'll just uh Empire. Did you get the verification code or it didn't come? The time you were doing your NA10, because I want to move from here and go to OpenClaw. Yeah, I have them. I just don't like putting them on my. I prefer holding mic and talking. I have mic, so bro. Come to YouTube, the full setup. Come to YouTube and watch the stream. So I prefer to hold the mic and talk. So uh how do you call it? Your name. I've already given it my name. So now let me just change the operation to get many. Then let the AI define limits. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and go with this. So I see what emails have I received today. Come to YouTube. Come to YouTube. When you come to YouTube, you know what's happening. So you see that it is calling the Gmail to Ori. All right. Ori. All right. Okay, okay, okay. So what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to let you understand how things work under the hood. You understand? But I like to use editor because you get this like visual appeal to explain what I really want to explain. If they change these their features, they are actually because I'm able to explain things well. So you see it is you see it moving around calling. So that means calling the yes, yeah. My YouTube channel is AI with Enoch. AI with Enoch as well. Be like time has beaten us. Active, active, active. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. As I do actually must have many times. So let me refresh this. want problems always. So, says what I can help you. You want me to check your email? Yes, yes. You have my full consent. Check for unread emails. So yeah. Anytime the time that have bring me because I really wanted to do a lot. So that's why next year is there. Next year, 48 hours of AI. Can you control and say active? So you can see that uh it has put all the you kind of saying all my latest emails on read emails actually. So you can see 10. So all see, I'm showing you what is happening under the hood inside Chat GPT or whatever AI you are using. If you're lucky, you can build your own thing. Master, movie and that crowd. So you can see over here, it found about 34 what unread emails. Yeah, someone. And then the rest. So if you like, let me disconnect this email right now and I'll just go ahead and send it again and let's see what it is going to say. I've disconnected the email too. So now let's see. Hey, Master, you didn't check. Is the email to working? It's because it has it in memory. So it will now try to call the email to hey Bossu. But no. It's trying to use the memory. No, no, try afresh. Okay, what problem are you facing? Larry. Larry Walker. It's just hallucinating. But then I should have even tried it before I added. But if you disconnect your, how do you call it? The tools. Once the AI doesn't have access to the tools, it cannot perform tasks. Right now, okay, it's saying that Gmail is connected. So let me just ask it anything. Okay, check if John John oh, so I'll say check if John has completed his task in ClickUp. So let's see. I've not connected ClickUp. I've not done anything. So what does it do? I can check. Do you want me to? No, I said nah. So you said I should what? Give it a URL, open or I should go open mother. I've not added it as a tool, you understand? But the whole point is to what? Explain this thing to you. I don't want to spend a lot of time here on anything. But at the end of the day, we have a lot of platforms that you can use to build automations, right? We have and we have make.com, we have relevance. We have a lot of platform. We have Lindy, just a we have uh, a lot of platforms, a lot. If I say I'm mentioning it, some of them I forget. Some of them are open source, some of them are closed source. Anything like this is open source. That's why I liked it. But right now, OpenClaw is literally doing most of the things that you literally go and sit there to connect one after the other. You can just tell OpenClaw and then it will just do it. So, you know, now you ask yourself the same question: why do I have to go through all this, connecting nodes up and down, whilst I can get the same results by just prompting OpenClaw? Remind me to eat tomorrow. If you don't remind you and you not eat, I'll be there. You understand? Yeah. So that is second. What is it? So now we are going into the claw season. Okay. Give me one second. We are going into the open claw. Now I'm going to take you through open claw. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Right now. Finally, bro. Finally. We are on open claw. Now, this is going to be a very interesting session that if you have a laptop or you have your phone, please take it out because I'm about to show you something amazing. You understand? I'm about to show you something amazing. Okay. I'm about to show you something amazing. I'm about to show you something amazing. I'm about to show you something amazing. We've been streaming from yesterday 9 a.m. and we are ending today 9 a.m. 24 hours straight. When don't penny na don't penny na go. But we active. You understand? So if you're watching me on TikTok, come to YouTube. Now we are setting up Open Claw live for you. Okay. Now, let me tell you what OpenClaw is. Okay. Now, OpenClaw, this I even want to talk in tree. OpenClaw is not your regular AI assistant. Even the one that I showed you to send email to Juan Winey, if you are stylish, it's not OpenClaw's mate. OpenClaw is that guy. Right now we have Hermes. I'm going to show you how you can get access to all these two agents. See, OpenClaw, I was talking about how I've landed an ambassadorial partnership with N8N. The AI that I was talking about is OpenClaw. I used OpenClaw. Those of you that were in my community, I posted it there for you to see. It is OpenClaw that went to do that hunt for me, and how do you call it? Apply for partnerships for me. And it's an unfair advantage. You understand? So it is a very powerful AI, and we're going to set it up quick. But then I also want to take you through some things. Please get your laptop, because if you miss this one, that is it. I trained how do you call it, 150 people on how to set up OpenClaw. Some still missed. If you miss this thing, do you know how much people charge to help you set up OpenClaw? You have no idea. So if you don't set it up now, because I'm going to give you 1 month off. Like, I'm going to give you 1 month off to test it. So if you don't grab this opportunity, that is it. If you don't grab this opportunity, that is it. If you're watching me from TikTok, come to YouTube, because that's where we are doing the stream, bro. And when you come to YouTube, please subscribe. Subscribe, Operation 1K. Please subscribe to the YouTube, because you have to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll go through the views and I'll catch everybody one by one and beat them. So come to YouTube and let's learn. Okay. Now we are still on agentic AI. I've taken my time to explain agentic AI. So if you've been here, Leroy, you are the new class prefect. We are going somewhere. Oh, Larry Walker, you didn't say it. Now that I've switched to how do you call it? Now that I've switched to your kind of saying OpenClaw. So now, first of all, let me clarify this. OpenClaw is not an AI. OpenClaw is a harness. OpenClaw is not an AI. OpenClaw is a what? It's a harness. And what do I mean by that? Right from the beginning of the class, I took the whole AI, the whole chat GPT, Claude, Gemini, I break it into pieces for you to understand how everything come together to make them function. Okay. That's the same way OpenClaw works. OpenClaw is a harness, it's an architecture that you build, and then you plug the model in there for it to use as reasoning and all that. So basically, like taking the brain and giving the brain access to a body. You understand? So it's like me right now, but then they can separate my brain from my body. I don't know if they can do that without me die. Yeah. So like they take my brain, they separate from my body. So today they can say, okay, we are using a 3-year-old boy's brain for you, collect. And you see me, grown ass man, crying for ice cream. You understand? That's the same with OpenClaw, and it is open source. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate Charlie. Birthday ways, bro. So uh I said you can take the brain out. Okay, so the brain and the body is separate. So the body is what I call the harness. They build around. So it's like you are taking ChatGPT, you're taking Claude, and you're giving it a body to actually function. You understand? But the OpenClaw itself is free. Note that OpenClaw itself, if you go there, it's available. It's open source on GitHub. It's free. But then, as I said, when someone deploys AI, the person is not going to tell you how to use AI. When they created ChatGPT images, they didn't tell you that, okay, we are creating ChatGPT images because we want you to use it to create flyer. Nobody did that. They just created the images. So anything image, you have to come up with that creativity to bet it out of the model. You understand? So nobody will come and tell you that you can plug OpenClaw in your business. But when you Ankasa, you look at the architecture, you know that now this thing, it can actually handle this, that for me. So in order for you to, thank you very much, I really appreciate. In order for in order for the yeah, kind of saying the birthday say in order for the oh my god, you think the birthday confuse me. Leroy, class prefect, where are you? You understand? But I it just took me off. But active. But all I'm trying to say is that the body is separate from the, how do you call it? The the open claw. The open claw is not an AI. It's a harness. All right. So now to set up, I've reminded. Mind is tired. 24. Hey, Charlie. Yes. You need to be creative. And also, in order for the AI to run 24/7, because if you are using somebody for business, I mean, AI can run 24/7, fine, but an employee maybe 9 to 5, that's fine. But at the end of the day, right, it has to run 24/7. So if you are setting it up locally, that means wherever you are setting it up, it has to be, how do we call it? It has to you have to make sure that it is always active, or else if your server is down, your open claw is down, you cannot do anything, cannot reach it, cannot get access to it unless the server or whatever it is up again. You understand? That is one. And secondly, the brain, as I said, the brain is separate from the body. So that means you have to get your own brain. If you started this stream with me at the beginning, I explained what large language models are to you. So it's either you are going for an LLM provider, or you are building your own large language model, or you are fine tuning an existing model. It's all up to you. The task you take comes with its own responsibilities. Okay, that's it. But the simplest way is to go with an API provider. You understand? When with OpenClaw, you can. So this is how you can do it. You can do pay as you go. So you buy API credit, you use it. When it's finished, you go and buy it again. You use it or you can do that bundle pricing where you connect your $20 ChatGPT subscription to OpenClaw, which is way better than buying the APIs small. So if in for you to run AI, or for you to run OpenClaw, these are the costs involved. Or if you are getting a professional like me, coming with my experience and other things, that's especially the security side of everything, to set it up right for you, I am also going to add my charge on it. You understand? So that is what I'm just trying to be transparent with you. That is what cost you to run OpenClaw. You understand? Now, why am I talking about all these things? I'm going to explain OpenClaw to you. Now, when you set up OpenClaw, let me see if I have some. Or should we set it up right now? Yeah, let's set it up right now. I think that we can do that. So this is what we are going to do. I want everybody to go to, where can I share the link, bro? Agent 37, Agent 37. Okay. Am I sharing my, okay, I'm not sharing my, oh. So let me share a link with you. We are going to launch the bot together on Agent 37. All right. So I'm going to give you 1 month off. Make sure you use this link. If you want to set up OpenClaw, this is the time, bro. I don't know how to share the link, but I'm posting that. If you are part of my Telegram group, I'm posting the link in there right now. If you are part of my Telegram group, I'm posting the link there right now. If you don't have OpenClaw, I'm posting the link there right now. If you're part of my Telegram group, as active, it's free. What is this? Mark B, thank you for the follow, bro. If you're part of my Telegram group, I'm posting it in there right now. If you're part of my Telegram group, I'm posting it there in there right now. I've posted it. Make sure you use that link. I'm going to give you I'm going to give you 1 month off. Okay. Check your how do I make sure everybody get this link? Okay, if I post it under TikTok, because I'm trying to share it on YouTube, self, they come. So this is what I'm going to do, right? Uh, so this is my latest post on TikTok. Okay, this is my latest post on TikTok. I'm post
So
I'm
from
posting this
exactly
one in the comments.
9 a.m. right today, I'll
Posting the
start
link in the
streaming
comments.
and I'll be streaming for 24 hours. Okay, so as you can see the setup here, some
So I've posted the link in my WhatsApp, uh, my TikTok, my latest is TikTok post. So when you go, you just copy it. My latest TikTok post. When you go, you just copy it, paste it in your browser, and it will come. You understand? Yeah. So just go there. Go. I've posted it under my latest TikTok post. Who have gotten it? My latest TikTok post, the comment section. If you go there, you see it, and then you just copy it. I don't know how to pin it, but you see that I've copied. Copy it. If you get it, let me know. You copy, you paste it in your browser, it will come. You need to use that link. The Telegram no cry, lame no parasena. Please, if you are watching me from TikTok, you'll not see my screen because I'm streaming on YouTube rather. So you can see. I'm streaming on YouTube. So go to my YouTube, AI with Enoch. Let me see. Telegram no cry. My YouTube. Wow, that's interesting. This the name of my channel. This is the name of the channel. Those asking me. This is the name of a channel. Can you see it? Can you see it? Share. This is the name of the channel. I said I posted it under the comment section of my latest post. The one that I'm wearing black dress. How many of you have gotten the link so far? And also try to join the Telegram group because I post a lot of things there. Okay. So when you see the link, just tap on it and create an account. But whilst you are creating an account, also wait for me. I'll show you something. I'm going to give you 1 month off. Yeah, the Telegram link I can't paste. I can't post it here, but I come to YouTube. This is the Telegram channel. So this is I don't know how I can post the link for you to get. How many of you are okay? Leroy active. Okay, that's nice. Which one did you get? The link or the how do you call it? We good? The link. Oh, okay, sharp, sharp, sharp. So create an account. If you've created an account, let me know. Create an account. So when you reach the payment session, wait for me. So try creating an account. When you reach the payment session, then you wait for me. Then I'll show you what to do. How many of us have gotten the link? Or let me see if I can just turn it into a QR code. Yeah, don't worry, I'm about to turn this into a QR code. So those on TikTok, if I post it on my story, can you get it? Yeah, I posted it. If you're on TikTok, I've Those on TikTok I've uploaded it. On Telegram too, I'm coming to show you on the stream too. I'm coming to show you so you can scan. 1 second. My story. The QR code is in my story. So those watching, it's in my how do you call it? My story. It's on my story. It's on my story. So those of you watching me on the stream, you can scan this. Those of you, those of you, those of you watching me on the stream, you can scan this. Did they go through? Let me know. Those of you watching me on the stream. Yes, Agent 37. Scan this link. Try signing up, but don't pay yet. Try signing up, but don't pay yet. So when you scan, use this link. Use this link. When you scan, don't pay yet. I'll give you 1 month off. Everybody on this stream. So please make sure that you are using it. This is the link to Agent 37, not the Telegram. So scan this QR code. Quickest. If you are watching, oh, it's on my TikTok story or Twitter. Twitter Tech. It's on my TikTok story. So scan it. You can take a screenshot. Yeah. And if you're on my YouTube channel too, I beg, please subscribe. Subscribe. Have you gotten it? If you've gotten the link, let me know. If you've gotten the link, let me know. Okay. So how many of us are inside? Hey, future. It's on my tick. Oh, TikTok story. Like you have to leave the live and go and watch the story. It's there. See, on my TikTok story. You have to leave the live first so that you go and watch it. Okay. So now you can go ahead and you've gotten my yours, Michael. Sharp, sharp. Yeah, future. Michael has gotten his one. Have you all set it up? Have you all set it up? Ah, okay, okay, okay. Then maybe it's because I'm streaming. So how do we even do it? Don't worry. You can. I'm coming. Yeah, yeah. Michael, they say message them with the link. They message them with the link. Active, active. Michael, please message them with the link because I want everybody to get it so that I'll give you a promo code because with the open claw setup and getting to understand open claw, we did a full workshop. I just as I said, 21 people, like 150 people, and the meeting was recorded. So it's in my Telegram group. So that one after here, if you find your way into my Telegram group, you can get and then you understand. But I want to use this opportunity to help you set it up because I'm going to give you a promo code for you to get 100% off. You understand? That's why I want to make sure that you are setting it up or you are joining the train. Okay. Use my link. That's one. I'm going to give you a promo code that I'm going to use to set up OpenClaw for free. And after that, I'm going to announce something amazing. That's my partnership with Agent 37. And I'm also going to show you. Can you DM me on TikTok, future? I followed I followed you back. So if you DM me, to come. I followed you back. So if you DM me, to come. Can be DM future. We've been streaming since yesterday, 9 a.m. till today, 7 a.m. Creative Hunters Dune. Hmm. Active. Oh, now. Show me I say active. No lie, no lie. This is my birthday gift to everybody. Yes. Yeah, we did it. We did it. We did it. I can't 2 hours. But right now, make sure you take advantage of this open claw this thing that I'm doing right now. Because after here, there's there's going to be Larry. Larry, I've uh Larry, I've followed you back. Larry on TikTok, I followed you back. So if you send me a message, it will come. So that I'll send you the link. Don't miss this. We are setting up Open Claw live. Live. We are setting up Open Claw live. Future, I've sent it to you. If you're watching me on YouTube and you've not gotten the link, get it. Get it. If you're watching me on YouTube and you've not subscribed to Mr. Do the do, bro. Yeah, Larry, I've sent it. I've sent it. If you've not gotten the link, we are setting up Open Claw live. This is the last part of the stream, which is agentic AI. If you don't have it, wara oh wara. You are in Solomon. Yes. So when you tap on the link, it will take you there, create an account, but don't pay yet. Don't pay yet. Wait for me. I'm coming to give you 1 month off. I'm coming to give you what? 1 month off. That means you get Agent 37 to use for free. After that, I'm going to announce something amazing. So make sure you are here. If see of all the live that I'm doing, if you don't get this open claw, then you've wasted your time. Because at the end of the day, large language models and whiny model is open claw is going to do all the job for you. So make sure you are installing open claw. What I'm doing right now is going to give you the opportunity to experience open claw. I'm telling you that you never open ChatGPT again, because the thing that open claw can do for you, ChatGPT cannot do. This is not even about favorites as I pay for ChatGPT $20 subscription. Why? Because of open claw. Because I'll connect it to my open claw and I use open claw. Because if I'll pay for $20 in ChatGPT, why don't I pay it and connect it to open claw so that I'll get a greater version of ChatGPT? And I'll say there. So make sure you have the link, my link, and I'm going to give you a code. I'm going to give you a code. I'm going to give you a code, bro. If you don't have the link, DM me. Let's be active. Active, active, active. Hello, Roy. Last man standing, since the beginning of time. Charlie. I have a gift from Steve Cash. I'll give to Leroy. Security is bad, and but I understand that with open claw. I mean, me, I don't. As for me, I don't have problem. Whether security or no security, at the end of the day, you can wait for the best time. You know, you can wait for like the best time that open claw is more secured, and then you use it. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, security is bad. You are right. So you can wait. When security like is all perfect, then we all use open claw. Yeah, network. Leslie, I've followed you. So if you send me a DM, I can send it to you. I followed you. So if you send me a DM on TikTok, I've sent the link to your DM. Or you put up DM me, I've sent you to the DM. Oh yeah, yeah, it's true. It depends on who is using me like this. If I've set up open club for a lot of people. If I set up open club for you, I have my set of prompts that I give to the claw. I have my security measures that I put in place. And even if you use open clause as an enterprise, it's you see the thing is I don't want to say it's safe and I don't want to say it's not safe because at the end of the day, every technology has a loophole, you understand? So you just have to try and find way to stay protected. Ehen. It's not about how secure it. There are a lot of you see when they release Cloud Mythos, there are a lot of big corporations that have security loopholes, security vulnerabilities that they didn't even know. Even after like gurus have surveyed their system and confirmed that it's secure. You see, so as for the security side, here, it's a very controversial topic. If you share your stance on it, people think that maybe you don't care about security, but it's like when you take that security thing to be a blockage for you, you'll not be able to explore the technology. That's what I'm trying to say. So go in there, but with OpenClaw, they like security developers are upgrading it every day. So I've sent it to your DM. I've sent it to your DM, Kinjo, Iniesta. I've sent it. And that's one thing. That's why even when I set up open claw for someone, I help them. So if you go into my the 5150 the one that I did, I took you through securities, right? I showed you how I mean, me, I don't have problem. You see, this whole AI thing is a matter of choice. So if you want to build your own AI, you want to use OpenClaw, that one, me, I don't have problem. Oh. The end game is that you have a problem and then you solved it with AI. So whether you set up your own AI or you build, or me, that one is it's up to the person. It's a matter of choice. Yeah. So please, how do I get the link? Kinjo, I've sent it to your DM. So when you get to the payment side, just relax and then yes, Dr. Isis, I'm active. I'm active. So yeah, you DM me. We have some few hours to go. So if you miss this hour, they are challenged. That's all. If you miss this hour, that is all. And make sure you have joined my Telegram channel. That's also free. Okay. Join my Telegram channel. See, the whole point of doing this is that OpenClaw, whether secured or not secured, is the most important technology on earth right now. All the people that are preaching about security, they are using it. All the people that are telling you that it's not secure, they are using it. How would they know it's not secured if they are not using it? You understand? Take advantage of the technology right now. Everybody is still figuring out what's going on in AI. There's no master. I'm not master. I am just an AI user. There's no master in AI. Everybody is still figuring out how to go about things. That's why even when we started a live stream yesterday, chat gpts you see the model selection was up there this morning. Now they brought it to the chat side. Everybody is still figuring out to. So if you are waiting for the perfect time, you will wait, and by the time you realize the perfect time, everybody have taken advantage of it. Whether secured, whether safe, just use it. Use open claw, leverage the technology, play with it. And when you get to understand the technology, you grow with the technology. Don't let anything be a blockage. Like don't stop because of any reason. Because I see people. That's why I've created the Telegram group. So when you are part of the group, I already have my own community. I already have like my own community that's I have around 300 people in there. But I've created a new community for the open claw for some of these reasons. If you have any question, you can come and ask in the group. If I don't answer, somebody will answer. You understand? Just DM me. If you DM me, I can send you my number. Or I can even put my number here. And whoever wants to call can call. If you want my email too, I can give it to you. Yeah. But today a lot has happened. But honestly, this is the most important part. Setting up open claw. Some of my community members have set up open claw and is applying for jobs for them. You know, I've set up open claw for web agencies. That's also scraping websites and finding them leads. Charlie, take advantage of this technology. It's an unfair advantage. It is an unfair advantage. The NA10 thing I'm telling you is just one. That's right from the string. I was telling that I don't like telling people what like the things that I've used AI for. So, or else everybody when they start right now that I've said that okay, Open Claw has landed our ambassadorial deal for me. Somebody will also say okay, then I'm going to use to look for ambassadorial deal. Meanwhile, it could actually help you in other areas. So I don't even like telling people okay, I use AI for that. It's just some few ones. This innate thing, the reason why I'm saying is because I actually posted it in my community that this is what I've made my agent do right now. Let's see how it goes. I was there and I just got an email. Charlie, unfair advantage. Oh, you don't. Most of the things that we are using this open claw for is even funny. We are not using it for anything. Like we just chat, send you emails, then they, like use it, like use the model, like use the AI. Let the AI cry within its so like within its soul.md. When the AI go into the soul.md to be crying inside. Say, no, God, where did I fall on earth? Why, like upon all the billions of people on earth, why did I land in this guy's hands? Hmm. The AI will be in the corner crying. Why? Because I've landed in the wrong person's hand. I finished. I said this whole event. I showed you the time. It was organized by Claude. I use Claude to organize. Claude has access to my Notion. So the Notion is like its administrative dashboard, connecting with brands, sending emails, who have contacted us, who have reached out, who have replied, who have not replied. Claude is the one doing everything. Take advantage of this unfair advantage. That's how crypto started. That's how even TikTok. That's how it started. People, me, how do you call it? Yeah. At first, I thought people that are posting on TikTok are John, like boy, fine, you are posting on TikTok. Charlie, fine boy, you are doing TikTok things. Like I saw it as all these people started TikTok. They're on 1 million followers, signing brand deals. We were looking at them with our eyes like this. Yeah, it's not sometimes knowing too much can be your own enemy, but you don't know. Knowing too much. Me, I don't know too much. Oh, if you know, come and show me. Don't think that I am boss. It's you know the way you know show me. Share. I mean bleeding. If you know the way, show me. Because Charlie, nobody is master here. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So yeah. So we've raised a very important, very powerful point, especially when ChatGPT came out and people were uploading their images into ChatGPT. Oh, you're uploading your image to ChatGPT. You know the security measures in there and stuff like that. And you see, the question is, you use phone. Your Uber can track where you are, where you are going. Are you not afraid of that? Face ID. You show your face, it will open. Some even your own brother will come and show their face to not open. You are not afraid of that. Most people don't know that all those things are AI. You understand? Just that it didn't come in the form of chat GPT. So You think that ChatGPT is bad and Claude is good. It's just PR, bro. There's something called PR. If you don't take care, you hate somebody because of PR. What Claude is doing is PR, pure PR. They make you feel like Claude is the good guy. See, if I go into it, right, even with that national security, whatever is happening in US, Claude was the first model to give their first company to give their model to the yeah. Hey, Charlie, no, we are telling us things. So, Charlie, because I've studied that as well. Now you can't do that. It's true. It's true, Charlie. But how is it going? How is it going? Have everyone joined the open claw train? If you are the payment place, let me know. We have about 1 hour 30 minutes more to go. Active. Use open claw when you go out. Tell somebody about open claw. This is a new technology. I've sent the link to everybody. Oh, have I sent the link to you? DM me right now. Let me send you the link so that you set it up. We are setting it up on Agent 37. That's not the only option in the world, but that's the best option that I've secured for all of us. You are the payment page. Okay, wait for me. Maybe is here. Okay, sharp. See, and as I am showing you, don't look at it from the consumer side. That's the most important thing. Don't look at open claw from the consumer side. I'm helping you set up open claw and you are thinking about yourself. Think outside the box. How can you look at how you are setting it up easily? How can you go out there and set it up for companies? So this thing that I'm giving you is your investment. I'm your angel. I'm your angel investor. So for this one that you are getting the 1 month free, tell yourself after this 1 month, I'm getting 5 clients to set up open claw for them. One J cry 2K. If you don't collect cry, not 2K. After this one, because you set it up for agent 37. If you need any help, reach out to me with regards to agent 37. Reach out to me. This thing that I'm setting up for you, don't see it from the consumer side. Like, okay, I'm going to set it up and I'm going to use to find job. You not get you not get any job. Go out there, you already have it. Demo it to them, like demonstrate it. Let them see it. They will see it with their eyes. They will not ask for CV. They will see that Open Claw is actually sending messages, calling people. Open Claw is doing this, doing that. They will see it with their eyes. They themselves will come and tell you, please do some for us. Please do some for us. So this thing that I'm helping you set up, don't only look at it from the consumer side. Look at it from how do we call it? Look at it from the developer side. See, you don't even need to be a developer. You don't need to know. Just go out there and help people set it up. Okay. If you need any help, come to me. I'll take something small. But oh, but don't worry. That's why you have to be in my Telegram group. When you post something, they will all share. The button, you don't have the link. Scan this QR code. Scan this QR code, bro. Scan this QR code. Scan this QR code. Scan it. So, how many of us are the payments? If you are the payment side, just let me know. We outside. We outside. Just comment we outside, and I know that you are there. If you are just joining there, why you rim? Okay. Then maybe after if you are the payment side, don't pay yet. I'm coming. After how do we call it? We outside. We outside. The Telegram link. Then the Telegram link. I'll do it like this. No, I'll post the link. The story on my this one. I'll post the QR code on my story, and I also Yeah, I'll post it on my story so either you see it there. Maybe after the live. Because right now, baby, I shit. Yeah. Open claw. When you go into open claw, there are a couple of things that you have to know. The reason why I'm not spending time telling you about skill.md, soul.md, how do we call it? Heartbeat, and then it can nice because I already have a recording in my Telegram channel. So after here, we will find a way for you to join my Telegram channel, the Indiana channel, and then you get the. I've pinned it, Phantom. I've pinned it where you tap on it to you just watch it. You get to understand it. It's not the best of understanding of open claw, but I tried my best to explain it. You understand to you so that you understand how the technology works. Don't look at it from the. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. All right, I'm coming. If you are the payment side, I'll come so that we all go. I'll give you a code. All right. I'm partnering with Agent 37 to give everybody as, and this is not going to be the end. So let's say if you are not able to pass through it through this live, don't worry. I'm going right after I'm going to make another video and I'll keep posting about Agent 37 because see, if you go to China, if I'm lying, somebody should just search open claw meetup in China or maybe TikTok or something. Children like in Kolan Kitikiti and they use to open claw and they are sharing their experience. This thing that I'm showing you is not anything beyond that like I mean it's going to help us. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to tell you is that the main thing that's driving me is because when you go somewhere, children are playing with open claw, right? If you go to China and they call it raising a lobster, that means like you are raising the lobster, you are training open claw. You understand? It's very funny, but like these children are using this thing. See, the only reason why is the exchange rate to Asa. Can get exchange rate bank and $9 niti paying me. $20 and get exchange rate and coming. You see, but at the end of the day, if I make you experience this, you will appreciate the fact that even if you have to pay for it, you pay for it because this is the most important technology on earth. Almost no sound. Really calm. That what you are giving us is in most cases more than 4 year degree course because we are solving problems, just not theory. God bless you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. Charlie, see, hmm, what AI can me. That's why I say I don't like saying the thing that AI have done. Like if I say it, that would be what is in your mind. See, somebody's credit score is bad. Like the credit score is very very bad. He's going to take loan to buy a car. They say they will not give it to him. I say bring the letter. Let me write letter for you. I write letter for this person. He send it to them. They didn't ask him question. They give him the loan. Yeah, it's now national security. We one way here. Bouncers with degree. See, the thing that AI can do for you if you set it up right, you have no idea. You have intelligence in your pockets. See, since how do you call it? Humanity have been in existence. The only differentiation between you and that lawyer that's pulling Range Rover is because of knowledge. Whatever he went to school to learn, you don't know it. That's why. If you know exactly what he knows, you'll be pulling that Range Rover. We are in the information age. It's all about information. That's why the Nigerians they call it update. If you know updates, you know town. It's not about how did they saw it? Cho. It's not cho. If you know updates, you know what's happening in town. It's information, it's intelligence. I know something you don't know. That's why they choose me over you. That's it. Once you know what I know, we are literally on the same level. Then maybe we'll look at other factors. That's why at first, if you had the degree, it was a big deal. Now, if you have degree, Charlie, only SS phone now because everybody's having some. So now everybody's rushing to masters. It will get to a point masters will become common. Now the value will reduce. Everybody will now move to PhD. See, and that's how the world runs. So if you are setting up OpenClaw today, let OpenClaw be your only AI. If you pay for any AI, let it be OpenClaw. Don't go and pay for any AI. Use OpenClaw. Agent 37. I have a partnership with Agent 37. We'll be dropping it. I don't know if it is live. I don't know if Vish is on the live, but we'll be dropping that. Maybe after here I'll make a video. I my goal is to make sure that you get OpenClaw to use it as low as possible. We also have Hermes if you want it. Hey, neutron. Charlie Alpha. We have about 1 hour to go. See, you can use OpenClaw everywhere, even if you are in Antarctica, even if you are in hell. you can you can use OpenClaw to be chatting Satan. Charlie, today I can't come out of the fire. I'm busy. Wherever you are in the world, you can use OpenClaw. Wherever you are, wherever you are, you be in the fire. They'll come and tell you, please, it's time for you to come out small and gym from. You tell them that no, I'm busy, bro. 24 hours, bro, Charlie. No. OpenClaw is yeah. You can you can use OpenClaw to see. If I tell you the reason why I use my link, did you use my link? When you reach the payment, try paying for the $3, but don't pay yet. Do as if you are paying, but don't pay. I'll give you a code. Did you use my link to join? The link, how do you call it? My link. I have a link. You have to use that link, and then I'm going to give you a code. We outside. We outside. We outside. Yes. Yeah. The link is in my story. I've posted the QR code in my story. So when you tap on my story, you see I've posted the QR code there. I've posted a QR code there. And those of you, if you are watching me on YouTube, let me know. I can share my screen so that I can scan the QR code and set up. It's in my story. I can't share it in the comments. So I've made a QR code and I've posted it on my story. This is the most powerful AI on earth. OpenClaw. It works 24/7. Omre, it works 24/7. The reason why most people don't get the best out of AI is because they don't set it up right. That is all. See, we can all set up OpenClaw right now. Look at the number of people here setting up OpenClaw. It will not surprise me if about 80% tell me that the OpenClaw crash, Charlie, the thing, no, really they do anything. Yeah. Yes, because you didn't set it up right. The people that have set it up right, they know what it's doing for them. Yeah, Michael, thank you very much. Michael is sharing the link to people. So if you send Michael, or if you send me a DM, I can send it to you because I followed you back. That your thesis. So people can write it. Oh, you don't know. Not everything that you can tell you. It's all a matter of how you set it up. If you say you won't set up open club because of security, it's just like saying that children die, so you won't give birth. Like how? We are active. We are active. If you're watching me on TikTok, try come to YouTube because that's where I'll share my screen. Try come to YouTube because that's where. And when you come to, please subscribe and share the link to your loved ones. If you know anybody that you think will need open claw, especially a business owner, this is the best time for them to set it up and experience it fast, fast before any payment thing come inside. Try it out. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Children, oh, I'm telling you. And that's one of the reasons that even sparked me to start this because I show you some of the communities that I'm part of. Children, children, we need to talk with much of the Jimmy, but they are using the AI, and that's what I want. I want you see like how if maybe they mention China, India, all of them are video editors. You don't know India. It's like the whole country they train them for video editing. You will then or you get email. If you see the email now, you see that how do you call it? Hi Enoch, I just analyze your YouTube channel. You have very nice thumbnails, but there's one thing. Do you know that? I won't know email you. Your motion graphics are not at the end of the day, Charlie. So when they mention AI, no, like Ghana, if they mention AI, no, someone don't learn this AI to go and work with your boss, who give you money, Papa. There are lots of outside companies that are wait, waiting to pay you good money if you know how to use AI. Super AI. Kofu super AI, super A1. We have some few like 1 hour to go, bro. Charlie. Lots of things are happening in the world, and most of the things that we use AI for, especially if you are someone that you are watching me right now and you are setting up open claw or you are diving into agentic AI, try your best to make like robotics. Try your best to make like robotic. Try your best to make hard physical versions of AI. Like I saw a post where somebody was having like a it's like a recorder or something. It records how do you call it? You attach it to your phone and then just turn it on and to record all the meetings that you are or do like go about in the day and all that. Try build physical products with AI integrated into it. It will sell fast. Take advantage of this AI, Charlie. Me myself, me everybody, we are still figuring it out. So don't feel intimidated to do anything. Just start it. Most people are building SaaS, it's fine, but build agentic uh how do you call it? Agentic services. Build agentic services. I also tell you about MaxClaw. When we set up this one out, I'll tell you about MaxClaw. MaxClaw. Most of the things that you see online is PR. Most of the things that you see online is PR. That's why you have to know the difference between PR and reality. Everybody is telling you that open claw is not secured, but Nvidia is selling it to you. But Nvidia, Nvidia is telling you that me, my open claw there, it is secure, but the original open claw there is not secure. So come and use my own. This real then is perception. If you know how to use your mind on people. as if you know how to understand and tweak, you know, do some things about people's perspective, you understand how this world really runs. Because how come, like open claw there is not good though, but me my own is good. Max claw too can I tell you that use max claw because max claw is good. Then Kimi claw also can tell you that no, use Kimi claw. Kimi claw is the best. No, use thing that Ali. So you can wait till open claw is secured. We all wait for you. All right. So uh I'm sure if you have set up your open claw, let me know. Like if you have reached the payment session. Okay. How many of you see the promo code thing over there? You see it. Now in the promo code, put this one there. Put my code there. The magic number. The magic name of all names. 1 second. Put this code. You already know. This is the code. This is the code. This is the code. Tell a brother to tell a friend. This is the code. Let's go. Put this code in there. And those of you watching me from TikTok, you know, see, let me share. Let me flip my screen. Ayeyi, ayeyi, ayeyi. Ah, if you're watching me on TikTok, this is the code. Active, active, active. This is the code. This is the code. Single 3 months. Hey. Active. Use this code. Nana, you've done it right. I'll say Alpha. Let's go. You get 100% off. I'll be making a lot of videos on how to set up OpenClaw. That's why I said join my Telegram. Because of the stream, I wasn't really active in the Telegram, but from now going, I'm going to be active. I'm going to be, if there's any OpenClaw update, security update, I'll post it there. If there's some new skill that you can add to your OpenClaw, for example, when I set up OpenClaw for Gabriel, later I also sent him how you can connect to make the OpenClaw speak. So like the OpenClaw can reply him with voice. So it's just like that. Make sure you are in the tele, like be part of a community. It's not easy. Oh. And most of the time I tell you target these people outside the country. It's not because of anything. It's because if you are working with someone in the UK and you charge the person £100, is how much is it in your country? Is that is it's just like that. Just know the dynamics. That's all. Maybe cry the whole month you've gotten like only 5 clients, but we've already clocked 10,000. Why? Exchange rates. That's all. Know how to target. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Use this code. Oh. Use the code on the screen. Use the code on the screen. Oh, use the code on the screen. Nyaba. Use the code on the screen. You get 100% off. Then after that, let me turn my Telegram group into a Telegram channel into a QR code too, so that everybody can get the link as well. I one day I'm sure even if I share it over here, everybody will get it. Yeah, yeah, you have to. Okay, Alpha. Hey, you're active. Catriona say active. Have you all used the code? The code is Enoch in capitals. I don't know if that affects anything with their, but that's the code, bro. We have 1 hour more to go. If you have any question, ask me. We are streaming. Allah. Active, active, you can say. Yes, after 1 month. Should I verify my number or choose payment without link? Now choose payment without link. Example for no. Yeah. Just add your card and go. Active, active, Leroy, Leroy. Class prefect. Clap for Leroy, Leroy. Leroy is the class prefect to Charlie. Since the beginning of the code is to get 100% off. So the money that you are paying, you will not pay anything for 1 month. Yes, Active Directory. Ministry of Activeness. Ah, awala. Set of activities. Yeah, I will show this the next steps we like everybody go take set up. Are you active? Hey, Kwabna. Kwabna, you were here, son. About now for corner. The link is in my story. I've posted the link in my story. Yeah, yeah, you have to provide. See, Larry Walker, if you have open claw, you don't need anything nominia. There's the link. One hour to go. We've been streaming for 24 hours. Go and ask Leroy. Go and ask Leroy. He will tell you. Do baby na in na bread. We are actually. We are emre. We are emre. So you know that evening time that 10 to 11 to 12. Struggles of time. Don't take care. Greg Music, thank you for following me. Honestly, I wanted us to cover a lot of things, but we couldn't. I have a lot of things here. I think most of the AI platform I wanted us to go through, but we couldn't. But let's see how it goes. Next year, we are doing 48 hours. Next year, 48 hours, because this year we couldn't finish the things that we wanted to finish within 24 hours, because 24 hours is too small for us. Come and see me at 11 o'clock 12. I'm fighting for my life. Ah, but we couldn't finish the things that we wanted to finish. That's the thing. So next year, 48 hours, I'll reach out to the class prefect, Leroy. We are streaming from Ghana to China. We did I can say amen. Me, I'm speaking my I'm speaking my I can't say you. I want to manifest it. Yeah. I want to manifest it. So next year we are streaming for 48 hours from Ghana to China. We will go to all the Chinese AI companies in the China there, all the robotics. We'll go and explore everything, enjoy it. I will manifest it next year. I will manifest it next year. Next year I will manifest it. I'll fly to China. With everybody, we just fly to China. We go and stream. You see things that are happening in AI. Cool. You get presentation. Okay, 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 okay. Active, active. So now, uh, let's continue. We have a few time to go. Uh, I just want to thank everybody for joining this live. I wanted to do something like I wanted to do a like a giveaway session or something like that, but the time they didn't permit. I had a lot of things to do, but the time didn't permit us because Steve Cash is having a gift for one of my followers. You understand? Yeah, one of my followers. So I don't know how it will go, but I couldn't do the whole this thing, yeah, because of time. But next year, 48 hours. But someone will definitely get the gift. Definitely get the gift. So if you are here, just make sure that you've downloaded Save Cash. Download it today. Save Cash. It's going to be random. Okay. So you'll be there now. If you are the one who win, you'll be there now in your accounts. But you see it. I'm not the one going to send it. I'm just going to tell Steve Cash that we are done with our live stream. These are the people that have signed up with my promo code. Mwankasa mon randomize it. What you say? You people should just randomize the system and give it to anybody that wins. So I'm not going to be the one to judge. So this is Steve Cash. This is the logo. Okay. When you go to Play Store or App Store, download it right now. Right now. Right now. This is a if you are watching me from TikTok, maybe you not see, but let me show you. Download it right now. This is the spellings. Excuse me. This is the spelling. This is the logo. W's, W's, W's. This is the spelling, and this is the logo. Download this right now and use my promo code AI with Enoch. The promo code is AI with Enoch, just the same as my name. Download Seek Cash right now. And then after that, I'll just reach out to Mr. Dawood and I'll tell Mr. Dawood, please, we are done with the stream. Anybody with my promo code, just how do you call it? Randomize the system and give it to them. Please, if you win it, then you come and let us know why. If you have a commissioner. Yeah. So download Thief Cash right now. We're quick, quick, quick. Yeah. So I want us to just run through this how do we call it? Thief Cash thing, and then we move on. And after that, we are not done. No, I'm going to show you something quick before we move to the next. Right now, I've shown you Agent 37. I've showed you I've showed you how do we call it? How you can set it up and all that. But there's also other options that I would like to show you. Okay, so make sure you don't just quickly run away, because if you run away, you may miss. If you're on my YouTube, please subscribe. And I want to thank everybody. YouTube, we're around 300 followers right now. Okay. Right now we have like 539. The goal was 1,000, but the Mudama Mbiameni so Nana K, thank you, Nana K. I'm from Enimintro, Namika, thank you, Nana K, thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. We've been streaming from yesterday, 9 a.m. I've teach. If I finish, I'm going to put the numbers together. But it's more than 2,000 people. AI for 24 hours. We're just here yapping for 24 hours. And Amika say that's the way I've been talking for the past 24 hours. We are buying Juma So I'm sure you all have it right now. So now let's go into the Agent 37. Right now that you've used the promo code and you can use the promo code. Okay. Yes, I can help you, Murphy. I can help you. Ignice Casemia. So yeah, provide it, and then use the add your card to it, but then use the promo code. Use the promo code so that you get it zero, so that it will come to zero. Sieve cash code is AI with Enoch. AI with Enoch, and then the Agent 37 is only Enoch. Yeah, we active. We active. Use it right now. It's free. Sieve Cash allows you to create a US bank account. All the payment that I've received from US is through Sieve Cash. Seamless, simple. It will come by to come and phone. I just transfer to my Momo. That's all. You can even watch ads to skip those. You kind of saying, Max Box, you just joined. Oh my god, you've missed. You've missed about 24 hours of good stuff. Yeah, 24 hours non-stop. I've been streaming for 24 hours, teaching people AI. Max Box. Max Box. Max Box. Oh my god. Kodan him. Max Box. Max Box. One more. Dr. Like best here. One more. That no chemistry. One more. Max Box. Max Box. Where were you? But Max Box, do you know something? Download Safe Cash right now and use the promo code AI with Enoch. It be shock you, be our crown, I'll be winning. Yeah, something is happening. I had a lot of things to do this today. I even wanted to set up like out the thing that I wanted to do. I couldn't do it in the 24 hours is small. So next year, 48 hours straight up. Because I wanted to actually like I wanted to do consultations 5. I wanted to build project 5. I wanted to also take somebody through an AI agency setup. Like I was going to take I think he was even on the live. I planned it with him yesterday, but unfortunately, because of the time, and the things that I wanted to demo. Sieve. SEEV. Thank you for the follow, Max. So I wanted to take a normal person, like someone who have not done AI, who has not into AI, and then I help him set up SEEV. SEEV. You set up an agency. How does he find clients? How does he build everything? Like just like that. And if after this one you want to run it, fine. If you just want to, but I know I'm sure maybe definitely would have run it. Next year, 48 hours of AI. I'm streaming for 48 hours, Ghana to China. I don't know how this will happen, but I know that God will. At this time, God is saying that please, I don't know anything about it. But I know that God will help. Next year, Ghana to China. The Sieve Cash promo code is AI with Enoch. The Agent 37 code is Enoch. So if you're in Agent 37, launch your bot, launch it, and then choose the 399 option. Launch it. Launch your bot. And then choose the 399 basic. Are you there? W's, stories. Thank you so much. W's. Download Sieve Cash right now. Everybody on here should download it. And then use the promo code AI with Enoch. After the live, I was supposed to do like a random giveaway in the middle. But right now, because I can't share, like I couldn't do the random in the middle. No. I will give the money to all the money to one person. So if you download Sieve Cash, they themselves, I'm not going to run anything. They themselves will run it from their back and choose one person and give it to the person. But you have to be like, you have to sign up my promo code because I'm sure they'll use that to check. So let's go. Next year, 48 hours. Yes. You are there. Yes. So that's why I'm saying that launch your bot. Launch your bot. So you see something like this. So that those that were asking of the Sieve Cash, this is the spelling and this is the look. Hey. Those that were asking of the Sieve Cash, this is the spelling and this is the logo. Okay, so now if you are there, if you are in agent 37, this is you probably see something like this, right? Those that are watching me from TikTok, we have about some few minutes to go. We ending at 9. We started yesterday 9. You see something like this, right? So tap on it and choose basic. You select an agent, select open claw, open hermesin, so are fine. But select open claw, basic plan. Now I active. Then you activate. Pay without link. Cash or card. This is where you post your promo code Enoch. So if you post your promo code, you get what? 0. That's what I'm saying. And they just paste your credit card. The agent 37, you subscribe for the plus. Do you like, are you the one that did it, or you like you yourself did it, or like I don't know what to say, bro. Like wow, okay. I like you chose to do it, right? Bro, for Charlie. Are you the one that decided, or you did it by mistake? Hey, that's what I want to understand. If you are the one that did it, they're fine. But if you did it by mistake, let me know. Oh, Enoch works for Plus. Hey, Charlie, Vish. Okay, so the Enoch, our friend, the Enoch promo code works for all the plans. Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Then I'm going to make, I'm going to make videos about it. Anybody installing OpenClaw should install it on Agent 37 because I've tried a lot. Those of you that joined the 150 people that was training to understand OpenClaw, I showed you I've paid for Hostinger before. I didn't want to mention their names, but at the end of the day, I've paid for Hostinger, I've paid for my Claw AI, I've paid for a couple of AIs. I couldn't even use it. Like I couldn't even launch the OpenClaw in the web UI. You understand? Yeah. So for the basic plus plan, use it. So just launch your bot. Now after that, because of time, join my Telegram channel. Let me show you the. If you join, I'm about to share the QR code for my Telegram channel. When you join it, you continue from there. Right now, I want to show you something else. Uh, join my Telegram channel, Road to AGI. We are here struggling to even understand ChatGPT. Some people are have started a movement called AIOS, which means AI operating system. You understand? Like AI operating system. We are here thinking that, oh God, ChatGPT is difficult to understand. Some people have already started AIOS. Just search for the meaning of this and you understand what I'm trying to say. We have some few minutes to go. Share the live to your family members. If you're watching me on how do you call it? If you're watching me on kind of saying, if you're watching me on YouTube, make sure you've subscribed to the channel because after this live, I'm going to be posting some cool content, right? Maybe. Sign up, use my promo code AI with Enoch. That's all. Twenty-four hours. 24 hours, bro. You've been active. Come to YouTube and watch me. Yeah, it's on Android. It's on Android. Yeah. So have you already launched it? Have you launched the open claw? The, how do you call it? Let me launch my own. Easy. Have you all launched it? Okay. It will let me launch my own. And Makasa family. When you said that control, okay, yeah, that's it. 1 second. Let me. I want to launch so that we go together. I deleted my this one because of the screen. That all go along together. We have few minutes to go. 30 minutes. Do something. No, no, don't. Which one? Okay, so I think that's where you put the AI with you. No, no, it's all together. Think lowercase. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm trying to set up for my side now. My I will make our take your card try. I don't see my card. You try to maybe you remember. Take pay for the this one. It be free, yeah. But my card no me yeah me in the time. The data. Ah, GC before. Unless I off this live. Please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and please today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. And say, oh, coins be mommy. Eja, if I be into you and share me home. I mean, no. If you have coins for me, give me coins. Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to set up my this one by my card. My card that is misbehaving. So I'm trying to get it. See, I'm trying to set it up, but my card is misbehaving. I wanted to be doing it alongside. That's why I'm stalling like that. My card just mess up. I can't open my bank app. Wait, be pay the more GCB. That's why, like, if I want to touch that account now, just remove them. How do you see before? Which one man why is she be pan like hey, if money drop for me, GCB run fast. I remove them. Where from? Where year? You go fit send message like 3 years now. They will come and reply. Hello, we just saw your message. We would like to close the ticket. DBCD, I don't. Hey. Oh, Charlie. That's some more. So right now, how we go do somebody should can somebody join like a Google Meet, like so that you share your screen and then I'll guide you. because I want to like finish with this thing. I try opening my bank app, no the open. So I'm starting a Google Meet. One person can join you, share your screen. When I teach you, then somebody will just show you how to do it. That which one? The open claw link is in my story. When you tap on my story, you see uh this is the link. Somebody should join fast so that you share your screen with me. I beg you. This is the link. I don't know how to, but I'm sure you can see it. Maybe you can screenshot and copy. Join the Google Meet link. Yeah, you can join the Google Meet link. And then you share your screen with us. Then I'll guide you so that everybody will watch. Those on TikTok, I'll share it from here. Don't worry. We have 30 minutes to go. I have to wrap up. If you're on TikTok, I'll share the screen. Please, if hmm. Okay. You see, say I put my phone for call barring. So SMS no they come. Because yeah, these service I send you the money for na menya SMS. Okay, that be why. And yeah, so almost sending me code by me who some can say OTP, I don't see. Have someone joined? Hey, yeah. Did you all get invalid code? Hey, sure. So be personal joining. Charlie, sorry. Iniesta. Iniesta. Iniesta will show us his screen so that everybody will follow. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Okay, you've already set it up, right? You already set them up. You already set your own app, right? I'm writing the screen. Hello.
Yes. Set up already.
Okay, okay, okay. So
So
work
this is
when so everybody just tap on the how do you call it? Yeah, kind of the launch bot, right? Launch your bot. And then you choose open claw, you choose basic, and then you launch it, right? So you can see that try pro, try plus, how do you call it, running out of, you get unlimited. But you know, I'll talk about that after here. But please, if you are trying to launch, let us know. So this is his screen. So when you tap when you launch your bot, you get something like this, and then we can continue from there. So you see right now they have written untitled agents. If you tap on the how do you call it? If you tap on the pencil thing over there, you can change the name to the name that you want. Yeah. We have 38, 28 minutes, bro. Save it. Yeah. Now, when you tap on the name itself, it will open a full configuration. Yeah. Yes. So this is where the big deal is. So if you've gotten to where Iniesta was at first, let us know. You are there too. Okay, okay, sharp. So you can tap on the name, you can add your name, can tap on your name. The next thing will be connecting channels. So I'm going to help you connect your Telegram. Then the rest we'll look at, you figure it out in the yeah, kind of saying we'll figure it out in the Telegram channel. So if you are in your Telegram, go to bot father. You go to bot father, just how do you call it? So tap on the Telegram. If you are all seeing Iniesta, you wait small so that everybody will come. If you are at where Iniesta is, Frank Ado link. Watch link. You're point real. Watch link. Please subscribe to my YouTube. That's what I used to take care of my family. 540 subscribers. Thank you very much. Subscribers shoot to active. Don't worry, we'll do another live stream again. From November to November. Yeah, don't mind no calendar. Come on, let's plan. Yeah, start. He has already done it. He has already done the launch, so you can't launch unless we are running another bot. But have every one of us gotten there? Because I want to move on to something to finish the live. Yes. So we've all set it up, right? Hmm. Open claw. Hey, sorry, Agent 37. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate. Thank you, ECG, as well. Somebody yedi. That's how by this time our eyes have become red. Yeah, Charlie. Like by now, ECG. Yeah, you are doing stream for 24 hours. Yeah, why light? Why light? So if we are by this time, I'm sure we are all there. We have about 20 minutes to go. I want to talk about another platform. So you know what? Telegram no cry. How? Mm. My TikTok now, no if you add link to bio. This time they call business. Person mess with you. Because I also check business and what did you see? Wait, for it. They want you to run ads. From November to November. Yeah, so tap on the Telegram. Tap on the Telegram. Worker, we can go. Yeah. And then, okay, it's loading. So set up Telegram. And then, yeah, so follow I think the procedure is even there. That's why I like Agent 37 because the procedure is clear over there. So you go to bot father, you create a new bot, you copy your bot token, come and paste it here. So when you go to bot father on Telegram, just search for bot father, the one that they've verified it. And then you how do you call it? You type slash forward slash new bot or forward slash new it will just show and then you choose it. And then you you on the same one talk. Ali. Okay, so when it's 8:40, I'll come and do Max Claw. I'll show you Max Claw as well. So you can join my tech, but I mean, most of you already know me on TikTok, so not to be DM me, yeah. Okay, no problem. So with the open claw, right now that you're already part of Agent 37. Don't worry. I'm after here, I'll be making videos on how to set up Agent 37 and all that. So when I make right after here, right after the stream, I'm going to make a video, and I'll make. Don't worry. If you set up the open claw, don't worry. Right after here, okay, you've gotten your bot token. So right after here, I'm also going to make another video to help you set up everything. Okay, I just have to make this video and then complete everything that we've been doing so far. So that don't worry, we have me all the time. This was the life to enlighten you on what is happening in AI, and I'm glad that we've actually been able to do this because this thing, Charlie, if I tell you the truth, it was just me. I woke up now and I said it, but uh, it happened. So I'm grateful to God. Next year, 48 hours of W's. Yeah. So make sure you are available, whatever it is, where the Naubeko is a part Naubeko to share that. Tell them that no, I have to lock in for 48 hours, building, building, building. This one we didn't build. Most of the things that I wanted us to do, we couldn't. Why next year? Because my birthday gift. It will only come once a year. Yeah. I'll do it. This is my birthday gift. Today is my birthday. So I started yesterday and I ended today. So that after that, I'll go and sleep. That's all. So this is my birthday gift to you. That's why I took my time to wait for everybody to get open claw. Okay. Yes, the battle has ended. Next year, 48 hours. make sure you are here. That one will be enough time for us to, you know, go here. Thank you to everybody that's joined from the beginning, Charlie. Some of you have been here. Leroy, class prefect, taking over. He took it for Akutu. Akutu, I stand there. I am right. So, uh, yeah, Charlie. Hey, now team there. Now, hey, Charlie, I can't run it through more creative hunters doing. They are the ones live streaming the whole thing for me. Oh. Like they are the one. They are handling everything. They are handling everything, and them my friends as well. They like Charlie. W's. Luxury life. Luxury luxury life. Charlie. Yeah. So I mean I'm thankful to everybody. And some are not here, but they also supported in cash, bro. My partner Joseph, Reinvent 24, he also he supported me with some money, and Save Cash, thank you. 233 Labs, thank you so much for the 233 Labs community. You also, promoted this thing. Yeah. That one day to me, see, if we say we are taking off 24 hours there. Yeah, but we'll rest. Yeah, we'll rest. Thank you very much for the support. We have about 20 minutes to go. I just want to show you one last thing, okay? It's called Max Claw, okay? I want to show you one last thing called Max Claw, okay? Right now, I've already explained the, how do we call it? The claw technology, the open claw, Hermes, all these things, they are not the AI. It's a harness around the AI. Okay. Now, one of the ways you can set it up very, very easily is through Max Claw. Okay. Now, I've already taken you through Minimax's platform and how it works. Let me end this one, okay? We'll continue after here. If so I'm trying to set up Max Flow. You have some like excuse me. The Sieve cache code is AI with Enoch. Okay. Ah, they have some kind. All right, DM me, Lisa. I'll be waiting for you. So this is Minimax. I've already taken you through the Minimax platform, how it works, the features over here, but I didn't talk about Max Claw and Max Hermes because I wanted to take my time to explain things to you. Okay. So when you come here, this is Max Claw. Now you already understand the open claw technology. Okay. Those on TikTok, let me switch so that you see. You already understand the open claw technology. All right. The next thing is Max Claw. Now, why am I showing you this? Max Claw have made it very easy for you to what? Set up open claw. Okay. And uh it's one of the very, very beginner friendly platforms to set up open claw. So when you go to Max Claw, you just have to get some cash. In fact, their pricing is very, very good as compared to other platforms that I know. When you go to Max Claw, it's very simple to set up, honestly, and the uptime is very, very, very good as well. So let me just show you. When you come here, Max Claw, just get Max Claw. I'm just going to go ahead and go to default. I'll tell it I'm ready. So you see, Max Claw, this is literally the setup in Max Claw. This is literally the setup in Max Claw. So you can also try Max Claw, honestly. You can also try Max Claw. Just look at it. Literally, this is it. They also have the Minimax app. So you can see over there. That means you can download it on you can download it on Play Store, App Store. You can download it. So So you can see it over here. So literally, I have my Max Claw ready. They also have Hermes, so you can talk to Hermes. You can also run Max Hermes over here on Minimax. This is the best time to explore the open cloud technology, and Minimax makes it very, very easy for you to understand. One of my first agents that I used was Nicholas, and I set him up on Minimax. And this Nicholas is being a good guy to me because he's still active. Understand? So when you come here, all you have to do is to Max Color, okay. Let me just go ahead and say, let me refresh. So if you want to connect your Telegram, you can literally talk to Minimax from here or Max Claw from here, and this is going to take you through. So even if over here you can see connect Telegram, you can set up your Slack when you tap on connect Telegram. So you can just go ahead and connect it. This is how you can use how do you call it, Minimax, Max Claw, and all the maxes available. I've already taken you through, so you see it is responding, right? I've already taken you through, so it's you go to Telegram, you go to Botfather, like how I've already taken you through how it all works. So you go to Botfather and you just paste your token in there. Minimax is very, very secured as well, so it handles everything for you. When I was using Max Claw, my Nicholas, when I'm using Max, how do you call it? I don't know if I should call it Max Claw or Nicholas. When I'm using Nicholas, I I tell him to do something, tell him that okay, based on how it has been set up in Max Claw environment, it cannot do A, B, C, D. Which at the end of the day, I see that it is for security reasons. So Minimax is very, very secured. So just go there and get your Minimax and we out. Max Claw and Max Hermes, they are literally the how do you call it? They are literally the same. It's just a matter of choice. It's not a matter of which one is better than which one. It's just a matter of what choice. All right. So go and explore Minimax and let me know. I have a Telegram group. You join it over there. You can tell me whatever is happening with you. All right. Okay. So I don't know if anybody is having anything because you have like 10 minutes to out. What's your Telegram username? Eh, I'm a cry. Besides someone. I don't know. What's my Telegram username? Okay, I think if I give that out, people can actually DM me that way. My Telegram username is Black T Boy One. We made this, bro. Black T Boy One. BLACCTBWOY 1. BLACCTBWOY 1. B L Crown is saying LACCT, yeah. I'm using HP, no, like this is HP. Is it the Elite book? Or that is the name or what? I don't really know. But yeah. Elite book and then MacBook and then Debian, ASUS. Yeah. And then this is iPhone for TikTok. This is camera for a the live stream, the main feed, and then this my torchlight. And then we have camera lights too at the back to give us that. And they have another light here to give us that. Bewa Samoa, how do you call it? But Bella someone, feeling, if Bella someone feeling, you are feeling rich, bro. That's all. Yeah, I'll share the link to open close. So right now we have our time is up. I'm just waiting for the time to be up, and then I also pray, and then we all go home. Thank you all for joining. I really appreciate the love and support. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We've reached somewhere. We've reached somewhere. We'll continue next year. Next year to start to we are going somewhere. We are going somewhere. 24 hours. I've been teaching you AI for 24 hours. If you don't know, if you didn't catch anything, cry, is that there's some one move BSL picky that you are going to hit on that move and use it to your advantage. 24 hours. I did it with creative hunters doing. So you see the setup over here. They did all this setup. They did all this setup with the camera and everything, the lights, Charlie. Uninterrupted stream. Uninterrupted stream. 540 subscribers. Please, let's use. Please, we are done. We are done. See, share the link to someone. No, the person will join now. They will say the life have ended. Why you be a pray fool? Share the link to them when they join now. I say, oh, sorry, the life have ended. Ah, let's go. Let's go. My Telegram username is BLACCTBWOY. BLACCTBWOY1. BLACCTBWOY1. Please make sure you DM me on Telegram so that I'll add you to my channel and then we'll continue from there. From now onwards, I'll be doing like meetups like the one I did the last time about Open Claw. Yeah. How is it the setup for the stream? That one, unless you contact Creative, they did the full setup. So if it's the stream you're talking about, DM me right now, I'll send you their number. They did the full setup, bro. Open maker crumble maker. They'll do makeup for you. Four minutes more. We active. If you have question, ask. Ask fast. Yo. Yeah, shout out to the crew, bro. Shout out to the crew. Right from day one planning to today. Active. There was a few glitches in there, but it's normal. It's from MTN. We'll go and meet them. Four more minutes. Make sure you DM me on Telegram. I beg you. DM me on Telegram so that I'll share the link with you. My Telegram channel. You have to be part of it. That's like fast information drop there. Okay, this has dropped. Go and use it. Okay, this has dropped. Go and use it. Okay, we are dropping. Go and use it. Yeah, somebody have posted it in there. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, somebody please post it on TikTok too. Yeah, sharp. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'll reply all them. I've seen them coming plenty, but I'll reply everything. Yeah. I'll share the link with you, Leslie. 3 more minutes. Let's go. We are active. We are active. Charlie, Charlie, Charlie. Wow. 24 hours. 24 hours. What have you learned today? Drop it in the comment section. With these 3 minutes that we are ending, with the one thing that you've learned today, drop it in the comment section. If you've not learned anything, let me know. Send me your location about the show. Drop one thing that you've learned within these past 24 hours. Even if you join in a short while, what have you learned? What have you learned? What have you learned? What have you learned? Doing your own GPT. Active, active, active. You learn a lot as an AI newbie. That's active. That's active. That's some active. Now someone can build custom GPT. Someone as a newbie in AI also understands a lot. I'm glad. I'm glad. We'll do more of this. There will be more discoveries. There will be more discoveries. Ah, you miss the agentic AI. One more. Thank you very much. We appreciate. God bless you too. Okay, I have 1 minute more to go, so I'm praying. Close your eyes and let's pray. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's been impactful. Thank you. Charlie, win cartons. All right. Father Lord, we thank you for this that you've done. You did all this. Father Lord, I'm grateful for whatever you've done in my life. 24 hours of streaming. Everything went on smoothly, right from network to machines that we are using to everybody. Like we are all fine, we are all good. Even myself, I'm okay. I'm grateful to God for giving me strength that I asked for, and also the strength for everybody. The people that joined, most of them I don't even know them from anywhere, but they came to show me support. I pray that God will refill whatever they've how do we call it, whatever energy they spent throughout the night with me. I really appreciate, and I say God, please bless them for me. And also I pray for anybody that actually joined. Make sure that whatever they've learned, even though the power is in executing what you've learned. I pray that as they go to execute whatever they've learned, things will be smooth for them. The grounds will be good for them to actually uh, facilitate how they will leverage AI in whatever they do. I thank you for protection, and I thank you for doing this in my life. And I pray for strength and grace. Hallelujah. Amen. 9 o'clock. Happy birthday, bye. Charlie. Itchery. We got cats for you, alright.